Hi, and welcome to Newsmaking Headlines on August 23rd. Here is how a highly skilled robber met his end. Thairat's main headline says, Thug in ninja costume electrocuted to death at Keo Kwan's home. This refers to Keo Kwan Wacharothai, Secretary General of the Royal Household Bureau. The caption reads, 37-year-old Nikon Ruidi, destined to die, chips equipment to cut metal gate and breaks into Keo Kwan's house on Puttamonthon 3 Road in Thonburi. Nikon broke into the abandoned house on a bank of a canal by cutting the metal fence using gas, clambered up the roof, cut open the ceiling. Police suspect he got electrocuted on all electric wires hanging from the ceiling. Investigation found hundreds of suspected stolen items at Nikon's home, such as Buddha statues, pearl inset table, 42-inch LCD TV, animals' horns, and traditional clocks. Now here's a horrifying picture. The caption reads, 62-year-old Proma Hom Siriwan got hit and run over by a bus from Sakarthiam to Nakhon Pathom. Her body got stuck under the bus. A headline reads, Jackass driver forces passengers out of the bus before running over a woman. Witnesses say the bus was about to reach the terminal. The driver ordered all passengers to get off the bus. As the bus was waiting for a green light at an intersection, as soon as the light turned green, the driver accelerated the bus and it ran over Proma. The driver ran away but later surrendered to police, admitting he did not see the lady and he ran away because he feared being lynched. If you like buying a package tour on the internet, watch out. A Thairat's headline says, a tour operator rounded up for cheating master degree students of 1.3 million baht. The caption reads, Police are interrogating Vipawadi Salitpan, shown in the inset photo, a suspect who allegedly cheated 70 master degree students who hired her company to arrange a work tour to Japan. They paid 1.3 million in deposit but were left stranded at Suvarnabhumi airport. So they tracked her down, locating her company. First, Vipawadi said she would return deposit to everyone, but later closed the company down and ran away. She was refused bail because police investigation found that she has already faced 2 arrest warrants for the same offense. The students said they have already double-checked that Vipawadi's company has license to operate the business granted by the Tourism Authority of Thailand, and her website looked believable, showing actors and actresses recommending her company's services. Well, what else can they do? Here's a sad story of intelligence police monkey Santisuk Promdao. Thai Post Excite headline says Santisuk succumbs to injuries following a dog attack. The famously intelligent macaque, an assistant to the Patni police, died before going on a film set. The macaque, adopted and trained by Police Lance Corporal Yuttapon Promdao, was attacked by 3 dogs in Songkhla. Yuttapon said he chained Santisuk at the car park of a tutorial school he was attending before it met its tragic death. Santisuk was about to act in the movie On 4-1 to be shot in Songkhla and Pattalung. The police monkey had hogged local and international media spotlight for its intelligence. Being able to follow many commands, he became the focus of attention from media including Channel 7, AP, Reuters, and other famous television programs. Interested in going to Cha'am beaches? A picture in Phuket shows a girl playing on the beach in Cha'am, where the sea has turned dark green and is smelly. Tourists dare not to jump into the sea. Suchat Sawang Arilak, an academic from the Department of Marine and Coastal Resources, however, explains it's a natural phenomena called a plankton bloom, which is a rapid increase or accumulation in the population of algae. This plankton is identified as Noctiluca, which is not toxic, so is not dangerous. When present in high enough numbers, they may appear as a green discoloration of the water due to the presence of chlorophyll within their cells. This happens only a few days, depending on the current direction. The Cambodian dispute has made Thai Post and Phuket top headlines. Thai Post says, tit for tat with Cambodia. Two Cambodian men suspected as spies rounded up by rangers. Opposite declines UN invite over mediation at ASEM meet. PM will talk to Hun Sen at ASEM summit. Phuket says, opposite loses leverage, having need-to-need talks with Hun Sen. Mark ignores UN chief Ban Ki-moon. New politics fearing Thailand will lose advantage, suggests, explain crisis to UN. We wrap up our program with the pictures of Privy Council Chief General Prem Tinsulanon, who will turn 90 on August 26, and a glimpse of today's Nation front page. Have a nice day. Bye.